we're back on our next episode of One-on-One with my son. It's been a while. The last time we had our vlog was what? When was it? When you're swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was our last vlog, right? Thank you for watching, and then now we're going to do another one. So, Jared has a new interest right now. Rubik's Cube.
A 4x4 one?
This is one of his
What I
hobbies.
can do.
Yeah, one of his hobbies is toys and his favorite, Toblerone. And my favorite?
Dairy milk.
You done? Finish?
What is
So we are at Starbucks now at SM Bacoor.
Yeah. Daddy.
So, what we're going to talk about is paying attention. What do you mean by paying attention? Speak or forever hold your...
Put the reverse.
What do you mean by paying attention?
Right there.
Paying attention means... What is focus?
Paying attention.
Yeah. Paying attention is focusing on one thing, listening carefully. Because if you listen more, listening makes it what?
Easy.
Yes. Listening makes it easy. Last year, Jared got how many gold? And how many silver?
What?
Wait, tell them how many golds you got.
2.
And
1 silver.
we got all. Right? No, don't.
Say 2.
So, imagine, if you keep on listening, how many golds you can get, right? Is it hard or easy to go to school? Why? Speak or forever hold your peace. Why is it easy? Good. That's it. Red. School is not going to get easy. It's going to get hard. Okay? It's not going to get more easier. It's going to get harder. It will get more harder if you're not going to listen. Okay? So if you think school is hard, it's because you're not listening. If there's some things that you don't understand, ask. Teacher love it if students are asking. It means to say they would like to make sure that they understand their lessons. Okay? So we got on record. You have face.
You're funny.
Always. Thank you. Alright, so what is the lesson for today? What have we learned today? Tell them.
Patinig and katinig.
No. What did we learn today? What did I tell you today? What have we talked about today? Tell them.
Listening makes it easy.
So see you next time. Thank you for watching. I love you. And I'll see you soon. Right?
We're already done.
Yeah, you want to do some more? I had one. Tell me something what you want to talk about.
Italy,
Tell them.
Italy missing the white line.
What's the color of Italy?
Red, white, green.
What else?
Thailand is
What's Thailand?
you have to do it again.
What's Thailand? What are the colors of Thailand?
Red, white, black,
Blue.
blue.
The only the country that has the color black is Germany, Mozambique. What? You just copy what I'm saying. That's all the two. And I think Qatar. Qatar has black also. No, I don't think Qatar has black. They have maroon and white. Anyway, tell something about what's happening to you today. What's keeping you busy?
Eating chocolate.
That's my chocolate. You had yours. Yoko, you're still here, oh. You're eating my chocolate. I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Give me a handshake. Handshake.